Hey, true believers. This is Mr. O'Donnell back again with Check This Out Mathematics, encouraging you to like and subscribe and comment on this channel. And today, I'm going to talk about palindromes. So, what is this palindrome thing? It's a word or a line or verse that reads the same backwards as forwards. Maybe you've heard of it before. Like in these words here: kayak, radar, and rotator, and level. Palindromes. So, how did this word come to be? Well, from this wonderful book that is like now out of date, I've never seen these before. What is this? Oh yeah, it's a dictionary. Do people use these anything anymore? I don't know, but people do have them. And so in this dictionary here, we have that wonderful definition I said here: a word or verse or line that reads the same backwards as forward. And the dictionary says that it's coming from this Greek combination, palin, which means to recur or recurring or again, and drome, which is a race course. So as you go around the race course, it's the same as it ever was. Oh yeah. A word that when run around the race course is the same as it ever was. That's a Talking Heads reference. And let's see. Oh, here we go. Here's some fun palindrome verses. Yes. Madam, I'm Adam. Or poor Dan is in a droop. That's me. And I am. But oh, that's okay. We can have fun with numbers and palindromes. Okay, so let's see. Well, what does... Oh, and here's another one. Never odd or even. That's a fun one here. And if you have a fear or abhor palindromes, that's abapho... How do you pronounce that? Abaphobia. Abaphobia. Yes. Okay. And so, let's see. Now, in mathematics, as this never odd or even statement, palindromic statement says here, we have a palindromic number, a number of particular significance. It can't be just any number. It has to be a particular significance that reads the same backwards as forwards. And so in this wonderful book here, okay, here it is, the Penguin Dictionary of Curious and Interesting Numbers, revised edition by David Wells. And this one is the what is it? Oh, the 1986 edition. But then, where's my other one? Where did my other one go? Oh, yes, here it is. Okay, it's hiding under the table. Okay, here we go. The original Penguin Dictionary of Curious and Interesting Numbers by David Wells. And this one came out in, let's see, also 1986. What is this one then? This one is actually the 1997 edition, you see. See, where does it say that? Can you see it there? This is hard to do. Okay, you're just gonna have to trust me. Yes, this is the 1997 edition. Okay, and then this is the 1986 edition. Okay, all right. So, okay, here's a palindromic number of particular significance. You can't just write any number backwards and forwards and say that that's a palindrome number. It has to be of particular significance. I mean, anybody can make a number up. You can just write 1473741, okay? And call that palindromic? Well, no, that's just, you have to have particular significance for it to be palindromic. Somebody tell me the particular significance of this number. 1473741, huh? Okay, it has to have particular significance. And so, from the curious and interesting numbers here, we have the number 1331. Where is that? Okay, I had it marked. Okay, here we go. 13. Oh, it's not in this edition. Oh, that's why you have to use the newer edition. Yes. Okay. All right. So in the newer edition, 1331. Where is it? Oh yes. Okay. See, here it is. Where is it? There it is. 1331, right there. Okay. In the newer edition. And here we go. 1331 is 11 squared, and 11 is another palindromic number. But I don't really like to call them palindromic because they're really rep units. Okay. And, okay. And so this particular palindromic number, 1331 there, is also 19 squared plus 21 squared plus 23 squared. And so what I like to do is change that into words, make it fun here. It says the sum of the squares of the odds running the course between 18 and 24. Do you see what I did there? Running the course. Okay. Between 18 and 24. So if you take the sum of the squares of the odds running the course between 18 and 24, like this illustration here, there's the running the course of the odds between 18 and 24. And you sum them and square them and add them together, you get 1331. And mathematics is all about seeing numbers. So check it out. Here's 19 squared, which is 361. And 21 squared, which is 441. And 23 squared, which is 529. And so let's see that these really do add together so well. Okay, here's how you do it. 361 plus 441 plus 529. Hey, 529, I think that's a highway here in Houston. Oh yeah, 23 squared, the highway in Houston. Okay, all right. So if you take 441 plus 529 and you write it in this way, you can see that it adds up to be 970 very well. Yeah. And then if you take 361 and add it to 970, you can see that it does add to 1331 very well. It's all about seeing it. That's what math is. Math is meant to be seen and understood and make sense and be easy and fun. Okay, and so why are we doing this video on this day? Well, it happens in a couple days. It happens to be the 20th day of the 3rd month of the year 2023, which is Palindrome Day. You see? Check it out. Happy Palindrome Day. 3/20/2023. 3/20/2023. That's how it works. Backwards and forwards, the same date. Okay? And 2023 is of significance also. It's a year's whose factors form a palindrome. Check it out. 7 times 17 times 17 is 2023. 71717, 71717. That's pretty awesome, isn't it? Okay. And check out this nice little article from the Statesman. See, there it is, thestatesman.com. There you go. The Austin American Statesman. This year is reversible in honor of the year 2002. Okay, so we have this nice little article there. You can see it lengthwise. Can you see it lengthwise? Okay, is that all I've got today? I think so. Okay, signing off, Mr. O'Donnell. We're going to wait until the length of the video is 12:21, so it'll be a palindromic video. Here we go. Ready?